Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to do the table of contents. And before we get started, we actually have to format our content buttons. So the first thing we're going to format is the button that says normal. You'll see here at the top. To change the formatting of that or to modify it, you're going to right click on your keypad. So once you right click on the keypad, a box will come up and we're going to modify it. So you're just going to use left click, modify. And up you'll see that the formatting is all funky. So what we're going to want to change it to is times, and then 12, and then change it to an automatic font. Since it's normal, we really don't need it highlighted or center space. However, we got to change the formatting. So we're going to click on format and go up to paragraph. And it says multiple line spacing. We want double. Once you format these keys, you never have to do it again for this paper, okay? And we also want to look at level heading 1. So we're going to modify that and do the same thing. You're going to click on it on the right, use your clicker on the right, and then use the left clicker to select modify. And I'm going to change it to times, 12, and then automatic. And you'll see it's on the left. You want to make it centered, and you want to make it bold because this is a level 1 heading. Level 1 headings are bold and centered. And then you want to change the format to double space. Okay? And then you're going to click OK. And then you're going to select level 2, and you're going to modify that. And I'm just going to do it really quick since we've already done it. This is our third time. I'm going to make that automatic. Now, a level 2 is not, is bolded, but it's not centered, so it's going to go to the left. And let's just look at the paragraph. And you'll see it's multiple, and we're going to make it double. Okay, so now we have our 3 keys, which is normal, heading 1, and heading 2. So it's level heading 1, level heading 2. Once you format them, it's as easy as that. So what you're going to have to do is go through your paper and determine if it's a level 1 heading or a level 2 heading. So chapter 1 would be a level 1 heading. See how it automatically does that? And so the reason you do this is how you get your table of contents. So your introduction is level 2, and as you see, I already went through my paper and put them all in. So once you have all your levels in, I just want to point out, notice that we did not do level 3. In no way, shape, or form does level 3 ever go in the table of contents, so it's not necessary for us to format that. I don't recommend formatting it. I think it's easier if you just do it yourself and just make it bold and put the period at the end and do it exactly how it describes, so you don't need to do any special formatting because it doesn't go in your table of contents. Okay, so to do the table of contents, you're going to put it after your title page. And so to do that, I want you to just select behind 2013 and just go ahead and put your mouse and then put your cursor there. And then I want you to go to page layout. In page layout, you'll see the word breaks. And the reason why we're doing a break here because it'll help you later on when we're going to do our page numbers. So I want you to do a page break. So when you use your keypad, select on the left side of your mouse, and you're going to do next page. Okay, and this is going to give you a page break. Okay, let's do it one more time. Sorry. So it made me do it twice. But you want to see a blank page here, okay? I just want to show you that there is a space here. There is a space, but make sure you don't hit the back button. Make sure you hit the delete, not the back button, because then it undoes the page break that we just did. So if there's a space, you can use delete, but do not do the back button, the back space, okay? So now that we have our blank space, you're going to go ahead and click on the page, and then you are going to go to references, and on the references, you'll see the table of contents. So once you select on that, up will pop automatic table 1, automatic table 2. It says table of contents here. It's already formatted, so I'm going to go ahead and select that. And once it pops up, you will see that your table of contents pops up. Now, sometimes when it pops up, it has a different formatting. That's okay. You can highlight it, select it by clicking on the left of your cursor on your iPad, and then you can just select the entire table of content, and you just go to your home button, And you can just make sure it's times, so it's Roman numeral times 12, and then make it 12, and make sure the color is black. Sometimes it comes up blue. Make sure it's black, and voila! Look like this. Also, make sure that your table of contents is bolded because this is considered a level 1 heading. So I would definitely put that in there as a bolded and centered. So there you go. There's your table of contents. However, I want to point out if you are typing and doing your table of contents at the same time, which is fine, you have some options here. If you see the exclamation mark, you can select that. You can update your page numbers again as you're typing along. Your page numbers may change, and you can hit OK. And so this will update the page number. Now you can also select it, and you can update the entire table, which means that you added more level 1 or level 2 headings, and you can click OK. Not a problem. This little drop-down box, I would not worry about it. We already selected table of contents here, so that's just not even worth looking at. So that's how you do table of contents.